Good morning, students. Today we will start. I hope first thing, I hope all of you are at home and safe, and all of you are well. Today I will start a new chapter, that is self-management. In self-management, in previous class also you have seen how will you manage yourselves. Then we have seen that self-management, how we will manage ourselves means like through the self monitoring, self evaluation, then self reinforcement. Okay, now then we have seen that what are our strengths and weakness, how that convert this weakness into strengths. Then about the self confidence, all these things we have seen in the previous class. In this class, in this session, we shall talk about the stress management. Okay, and the various techniques and tips to which will be helpful to you during stressful times. Now, first thing, what is when the people say stress, that means they think about only the bad stress, but it's not necessary it will be bad always. It may be good stress also, that is also called stress. So that may be good stress and bad stress. So first thing, what is stress? Stress means like it is our body and mind's response and reaction to challenging situations in our lives. Okay, so it is our body's way of reacting and getting prepared to deal with a situation and the pressure it creates. Now when it will be good stress, then it remains there for a little time and motivates you to strive harder and do well, is called good stress. Like you can say that when you are enjoying anything, like riding for a roller coaster, or you for going for that paragliding, or deadline for assignment submission. So these are the good stress which motivates you to do some hard work, or where you are enjoying, so that those things are good stress. And bad stress, that is refers to a stress that is ongoing and doesn't lower down, like when one cannot stop worrying and is unable to do the required things one normally does otherwise. It is a bad stress or distress, or you can say chronic stress. Okay, now bad stress is a negative form of stress because hinders your progress. It may affect your body immunity system. And this bad stress, the symptoms are falling under three categories, that is emotional symptom, physical symptoms, and cognitive system. Physical symptoms means what? Like lack of physical symptoms means like racing heart, then headache, then erratic breathing, dry mouth, okay, upset stomach. So these are physical symptoms. Cognitive system is memory loss, like then poor judgment, negative self statement, okay, or worrying about petty things. So these are the cognitive symptoms. And emotional symptoms, like irritability or anger, fear, then general unhappiness, tearfulness, then increased interpersonal conflict, sense of loneliness. So these are the uh, emotional symptoms. So these three symptoms are there: emotional symptoms, cognitive symptoms, and physical symptoms of stress. Now hypertension is also there: headache, hypertension, loss or gain of appetite, weight loss or gain. So these are different symptoms. Now these what are the causes of this stress? First things among students, like due to examination or test, or going for any interview, or heavy workload, work pressure, transition to a new environment, or submitting any deadline for any assignment that is short time. Okay, and relationship or adolescence issues. So these are among students, these are the causes of stress. And among workplace stress, like demanding boss or demanding job, overload, pressure, then too many responsibilities, working in hazardous environment, or boring monotonous work, monotonous job insecurity. These are the workplace stress. And other stresses are there, like loss of job, then job satisfaction. Okay, then chronic illness, traumatic events. So these are different other causes of this stress. Now, that is very important, what are the importance or benefits of stress management? First thing is, it improves concentration and creativity. Improves concentration and creativity means what? If you will be properly, if you will manage your stress, then it increases your concentration. So a relaxed body, because usually mindful of the surroundings and circumstances. Moreover, relaxed mind can concentrate and perform better, as well as be more creative. Next one is ensures better productivity. With a reduction in stress, the chances of conflicts also get reduced. We tend to understand the people around us in a better way, and our reactions too can be controlled. Next one is increases efficiency. Stress hampers an understanding and overall efficiency of a person also, because a person tends to commit more mistakes than usual under stressful conditions. So effective managing stress can make a person more relaxed, efficient and extra vigilant to perform better and meet the timelines. So this, in this way, it increases the efficiency. It reduces also conflicts and improves relationships. Okay, then it improves communication. If stress management is there, proper stress management, then it improves the communication also, because relationship at home, at workplace, any environment, then this stress might cause one to behave in an irrational and erratic way. However, stress management can help a person to identify problems, resolve conflicts, and behave in a rationalized way, thereby improving his or her communication with others. So this in this way it improves the communication. Then maintaining health, it improves. If your stress is free, then your immunity system will be better, body immunity system will be better, so health, depression will not be there. Okay, so heart rate will be proper. So in this way it maintains the health. It improves mood also. Now, boosting immunity system enhances individual performance, then improves overall well-being. Overall well-being means what? Like stress management helps to achieve a perfect balance of our body and mind. This way one can become a self-aware that helps in accepting one's strengths and weakness with positivity. In this in turn improves the mental health and reduces the chancing of falling sick. Thus, managing stress helps in managing the improving the overall well-being of oneself. So, in this way, you can manage your stress. you can make yourself stress free. These are the different benefits of stress management. Okay, so that's all for today. Next day we will see uh, what are the common useful stress management techniques and tips. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.